Today I'm excited to share with you my home automation project, a fusion of technology, convenience, and accessibility. As we delve into the details, we'll discover how the system integrates into our daily lives, making our homes smarter and more efficient. The Internet of Things has revolutionized the way we interact with our surroundings. It encompasses a vast network of connected devices, physical objects embedded with software which communicates and exchanges data. Our homes are no exception to this transformative trend. My project centers around a low-cost home automation system which leverages IoT technologies. Here are its key features. One of them is an Arduino. This system is a credit card-sized computer which packs pretty impressive computing power. This versatile device allows us to control various appliances wirelessly over the internet. Another one is speech recognition. Imagine controlling your home appliances just using your voice. With speech recognition capabilities, our system listens attentively for predefined phrases. When it detects a specific command such as turn on the lights or adjust the thermostat, it triggers the corresponding action. And this is how it works. So the voice commands, instead of repeat instructions, our system understands natural language. When you say, please turn on the lights and lock the doors, it parses your speech into individual words and matches them against predefined keywords. This intelligent approach ensures a more smarter interaction. And another way it works is with MIT App Inventor. The MIT App Inventor interacts with Adafruit IO feeds based on your voice commands. These feeds correspond to specific hardware actions, for instance, turning on lights or locking the doors. And now I'll show you guys a demo. So this is the mobile application I built, and if you click this is automatic, and it can show like the temperature and the password over there. And if you click manual over here, you can turn on and off the lights. And also here for security, I added a keypad which you can type your password into it, and then it shows the temperature over here. Yeah, and that's how my home automation system works. And also, I have voice control, and let me just show you it. So I'll say, turn on lights. Turn on lights. And now I'll say, turn off lights. It turned off the lights. So the voice recognition helps the Arduino to communicate the data and how to interact with the components to turn on or off lights or lock and unlock doors.